holistically, the work is very much about using patterning as a way to bridge abstraction and the real world. I'm typically using craft-based materials and as lo-fi as possible, as easy to work with as possible. So your beginner latch hook mesh, woven cane webbing, burlap, which is like what's behind me. And so these are like fabric materials, right? You can bend, you can ply them. It's not wood, it's not stone. They're not rigid. So I like kind of conflating that, right? Where someone might take stone and they carve it away and make it seem very fluid and soft. I like taking something that's, that could be fabric that you maybe use to upholster a chair and have it do both things at the same time, where it is both rigid and hard and solid, but also feel like it could collapse. So they're all hollow. There's no armature. There's no like reinforcement of any kind. And some of the newer work, I'm starting to reveal that. In some of the older work, it's very solid. So you're kind of confused about like how it came to be, what it's made out of. Is there a core? Is there not a core? Things like that, which I find very fascinating. The one in PAAM is made of latch hook mesh, but it has a completely different feel. I mean, it seems like it comes from a completely different world than these. It's very computer generated like imagery, right? So it appears as if it's like a prototype or some sort of 3D printed object, right? So that work was very considerate of how things read in photographs and in videos. And that's in these works too, but especially that one, it begs to be seen in person and it begs to be, eyes to surface. That's very important. Eyes to a screen. There's so much filtration. There's so much of representation and illusion that happens with that. So I'm interested in the object